Hello, Mom and Sir. Have an amazing and wonderful day. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself to you. I'm Gemaline Soria Gapatan, 42 years old. I live in Balayang, Victoria, Tarlac, Philippines, and married to Sandy Gapatan. We have 4 children, ages 24, 15, 14, and 10 years old. They are 2 boys and 2 girls. I am a fourth child in the family. I have 3 older sisters and 2 younger brothers. My hobbies are reading, gardening, singing, and playing volleyball. I am honest, trustworthy, responsible, hardworking, friendly, and a happy person. I worked as a domestic helper at Hong Kong in 2018-2019. I served 3 persons including a couple and a newborn baby. I worked there for 1 year and 7 months because my employer's mother will take care of the baby. So they do not need any helper, so they give me a good release as finished contract. My duties there was marketing, cleaning, ironing, washing the dishes and clothes, and preparing food for the family. My second work as domestic helper was also in Hong Kong in 2019 to 2021. I served 5 persons, a couple, a 14 years old, and a 12-year-old twin. They are all girls. I finished my contract to them for 2 years. My duties in the family was marketing, cleaning the house, washing dishes and clothes, cooking, preparing things of the children to school, sending and catching them from school. My third employer is a Korean and a Chinese couple and a newborn baby. My duties there were marketing, cleaning the house, washing the dishes and the clothes, ironing, arranging the clothes of my employers and the baby. I do car washing and taking care of a small dog. I worked there for 4 months because the mother of the Korean, my mom, will take care of the baby, and they give me a good release that they do not need any helper. I know how to cook Western food, Filipino food, and a Chinese food like steamed fish, pork, chicken, stir-fried vegetables, noodles, and soups. My relationship with my previous employers were good because I treated them as my family and they also treated me as a part of their family. I hope you'll choose me as your helper because I need the work for the studies of my 3 children and for the medicine of my firstborn because she has to take the medicines every day. And I will promise to do my best to finish my duties and responsibilities, especially in taking care of your children. Thank you, Mom and Sir. Have a good day and God bless.